In this demo, we see a phenomenon called acoustic levitation. This is a way to suspend matter in air despite gravity using high-intensity sound waves to generate acoustic radiation pressure. Essentially, we can trap objects in the air, making them float. Here we have a set of speakers. This setup is often used in a liquid medium, so it's less affected by gravity. Here we are using air. Ultrasonic frequency sound waves are typically used, which are not audible to the human ear. When the two speakers are perfectly aligned, the two sets of sound waves are created that perfectly interfere with one another, forming a standing wave. A standing wave requires the two waves to be of the same amplitude, frequency, and wavelength. When they interact, they create a sound wave that appears not to move, which is where its name comes from. This wave has nodes where the amplitude is at its smallest at certain points along it where there is no transfer of energy. When light objects are placed at these nodes, the acoustic pressure is large enough to cancel out the effect of gravity, which is why they appear to be floating. Here we are using a small piece of styrofoam, better seen when we use a laser. These concepts are being explored for things like pharmaceuticals, where it is used to get solutions of drugs into an amorphous, not crystalline, physical state. Amorphous drugs are more easily absorbed by the body, whereas crystalline versions do not get fully absorbed. This state can only easily be achieved for study when the solution does not form to the shape of the container, which is hard to do. So levitation is being used to study the solution in its amorphous state. This way researchers can learn how the drugs will behave in this state and eventually in the body as well.